Hello everyone, in this video, I will introduce to you software to record your screen as well as take screenshots of your computer. The super light, easy to use Faststone Capture software helps you record photos and videos on the screen. Computer config. To download the software, open your web browser, then enter the word Faststone Capture, press enter to search, and it will appear. On the software download home page, select the faststone.org download page. There is no item here for you to download to your device. Currently, it is Faststone Capture 10.6. If your download has the word exe, then when downloading, you need to install the version on your computer. New to use. The remaining zip item downloads the installation similar to an exe file, as it is compressed to avoid these web browsers. Incompatible. As for the mobile version, you can download it, so you don't need to install it, just open it, and you can use it right away. Save to USB can also be used. I recommend you download the mobile version because it's easy to use, no installation is required. It's up to you if you want to download the installation version. You can install or download the mobile version. To download, click on the word download and select the version you want to download. Then the server will load, and you wait. For software downloads, the download will be saved in your computer's downloads folder. Because I downloaded the mobile version, it will be a compressed file. If you download the installation file, then it is the application file you need to install. Because the file is compressed, you need to decompress it before you can use it. Decompression software or Windows unzip software to decompress. Wait for the software to decompress and unzip, and there will be a folder. With a name like unzip the item. Open it, there are many files in here, then open the software and select the word Fastcapture. The software will be opened, and because it is paid, you will be able to use it for free for 30 days. After that, you need to activate it. Usable. You can use it and activate it later. This is frame display software, it does not have functions such as opening saved folders or taking screenshots, so there are types such as taking a screenshot. Screen portion, full screen capture, or scrolling screenshot. Then record the screen. You can set the settings in the visible section. See software information. For example, now I will do some basic things like take screenshots. If you choose a photo, it won't work. Will display a photo of the frame. If you click, it will take a photo. Like me, I took a photo of the taskbar. After taking a photo, you can adjust and save. Try another way to take a screenshot, like taking a scrolling screenshot. When the screenshot is complete, it will also display the scrolled screenshot. Similarly, you can edit and save. Next is the screen recording feature. To record the screen, select this item. It also has various types of rotating screens, such as a window, a pharmacy area, or a full screen. When recording, you can turn on or off the microphone, sound, and webcam. When you choose to turn it on, it will show a black square around it, but when you turn it off, it will be white. To record, you select the recording, and then a red frame will appear for you to choose from, because at first the selection is to record a window. So you can choose the window you want to record, and if you choose full screen, it will record your entire screen. When you choose to record, then it will display options for a microphone, speaker, or webcam if you want. To record, you select Start to start. When recording, actions or movements on the screen will be recorded. To pause, save, or delete, select the item below. Or press the F10 key, it will show you the choice. For example, if you save your selection, it will appear storage folder, choose where to save. Once saved, you can open it again to review. Then it recorded all of that. Operate on the screen. You can also set parameters, such as the settings screen, in this section. Adjust video, audio, devices shortcuts, file names, and software prohibition information. To activate the software, select this icon, then select the registration code entry, and it will appear. Table for you to enter your username and registration code, then enter your username and registration code, then select register. The notification appears, select OK. Then the software will be activated. Check again, and the software has been activated. You can use it forever. If you want to activate, you can inbox me. So I have introduced and guided you to a software for taking photos and recording the computer screen called Faststone Capture. Lightweight and easy to use software. If you find the video interesting, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel to watch more videos. See you again.